Hello and welcome back to Long-Term Review. For this video I kinda need your help. You might recognize this wallet. It was one of the first videos on the channel, but now I also got a bigger phone and I think it would be a good idea to have my wallet and phone in the same pocket together, but when I pull out my phone I also pull out my wallet and I might drop the one I'm not wanted to pull out. Maybe it's like this and the camera plateau blocks the wallet. What I want is a MagSafe wallet, and I want one very similar to this one, but with this clip. It should be as small as thin as possible, probably even thinner than this, but also with a MagSafe magnet. I need 4 cards and a bit of money. And yeah, maybe you can help me. So please tell me, are there any wallets with these specifications out there that I should check out? And like and subscribe to the channel to see what came after it.